Do you feel the outside of your property is distracting from the experience you want to offer your guests? Let me give you a few ideas of what you can do to improve their first impression. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. First impressions last. And this is particularly true when it comes to the appearance of a hospitality property. If the outside area of a property looks run down or does not look inviting, this has the potential to turn off a large number of guests and discourage them from returning or even staying in the first place. This can be turned around with some simple changes that I will share with you in this episode. Paving and parking surfaces. The paving and parking surfaces outside a hospitality property can take up a large amount of space, and these surfaces are often the first thing people notice when they visit. Potholes or dirt parking areas can be a major turnoff, so it is vital to add new paving and parking surfaces if they are currently in bad condition or don't exist at all. Many paving and granite companies have a wide range of different colored surfaces to choose from. This simple change will dramatically improve and make it a more welcoming place for visitors. Property entrances. Make sure your property entrance is well marked, easy to find, and accessible. All-weather paint. Unfortunately, a lot of properties look weather-beaten, but a coat or two of exterior paint can bring them back to life. Painting the walls, doors, windows, and other external features will make it look a lot fresher and cleaner, and that will be very important as the guests begin to return. Clean windows and signs. Dried on dirt, glue from old stickers, or tape, old posters are very distracting. It does not take a lot of effort if it's made part of your daily routine. Make sure all your signage is clean and in good shape. Do you feel comfortable dealing with a business that has a broken or moldy sign? If you'd like to hear 4 more ideas to spruce up your properties outside, I'll tell you. Make your property greener. Adding a touch of nature is important. The more natural features that surround your property, such as trees, bushes, and flowers, the more pleasant your visitor stay will be. If you have the space, planting more of these natural features is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to add more character. Make sure to stay on top of weeding, tree, and hedge trimming. Outdoor lighting. After the sun goes down, many guests check in or spend a large amount of time in the property. To impress guests after hours, it's vital to invest in the appropriate outdoor lighting to light up your premises and surrounding areas. So far, so good? Let me know in the comments. Outdoor furniture and seating areas. When guests stay at a hospitality property, there's a good chance they won't want to stay in their rooms all the time. Providing comfortable outdoor seating areas and places to relax is a feature that sets the top properties apart from their competitors. Be creative with seating placement, and if you have the room, design them so guests can enjoy outdoor privacy while on your grounds. Water features. The soothing and peaceful sound of flowing water enhances the natural feel of the outside area even more. Fountains, bird ponds, and pools are just some of the water-related features you can add that will make the gardens and the lawns of your property magical places to spend time in. In conclusion, if you're a hospitality property owner or manager who wants to attract guests and encourage them to return, it has to be welcoming. Making positive changes to the exterior of a property is not as difficult as it may seem, and the tips I have shared will go a long way towards making your property a more attractive and desirable place to stay. What have you done to enhance your properties outside? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever wondered what makes highly effective people tick? In our next episode, I will share the behaviors of highly successful people. Well, that's it for today's episode. Until next time, have a fun day. Oh, P.S. Have you been checking out the Insider Tips episodes? If not, make sure you sign up in the notes sections so you don't miss any.